Hi there. I'm going to show you how to work the increase row and also the cable setup row for the Horseshoe Trail Cable Beanie. I'm working on the adult size right now, so I'm going to be increasing from 44 stitches to 55 stitches. If you're working on the children's size, you're going to start with 38 stitches and increase to 44 stitches. And we're going to do this by working in sets of 11. We're going to, so the pattern is going to be purl, knit, purl, make 1, knit 7. For the adult size, we're going to do that 4 times. And then in the 5th set, we're going to increase by 3 stitches. For the children's, you're also going to purl, make 1, knit 7 3 times. And then on your 4th set, you're going to increase 3 stitches. So here we go. So by now you should have worked 7 rows of purl 1, knit 1, rib, which is a little different. Usually it starts with knit 1, purl 1, and if you've done that, that's okay. You don't need to start over. You just need to move your stitch marker so your first stitch is going to be a purl, okay? So we're going to go ahead and purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, and then here's how I make the make 1 stitch, which is the best method that I found that doesn't create a hole like some of the other methods do. So I'm just doing the old yarn over the thumb, pull it off your needle, pull it snug, not too tight, and then we're going to knit 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so that concludes our first set of 11 stitches. We're going to do that 3 more times. So purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, make 1, and then we're going to go ahead and knit our 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's our second set. Here's our third. Purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, make 1, and then knit 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, working on our 4th set now. Purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, make 1, knit 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay, so adult version, we just knit that set 4 times. Now we're on the 5th set. We only have 8 stitches left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In this set, we need to increase 3 stitches. So we're going to start out the same. Purl 1, knit 1, purl 1. And just so you know, the purl 1, knit 1, purl 1 is our trail for the remainder of the beanie. Make 1, that's our first increase stitch. We're going to knit 2, 1, 2, make 1, that's your second increase stitch. Knit 2 more, 1, 2, and then here is our third increase stitch. and then knit the last one. And that is how you work the increase row.